Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. wala akong magawa. Wala akong ma-upload, walang gala, kaya dito na muna ako mag-vlog. Good morning guys. Good morning. Pupunta ako sa supermarket. Bibili ako ng bread. Diyan lang, across the road. So let's go guys, tawid tayo sa kalsada. Yes, this is always exciting for me when I cross the road. Kasi minsan the light is still green, but tumatawid na ako pag wala akong nakitang sasakyan. Well anyway, yeah, that's life. So ayun, bibili lang ako ng bread. I already have food to take it to my work. So I come here to the supermarket to buy bread and the peanut butter. I like that sandwich, bread with peanut butter or peanut butter with jam. Also, it's really nice. Kaya walking ako. I still have 2 hours to go back to work. So, lakad-lakad lang. Andyan lang naman eh. Wala na akong exercise kaya medyo nananaba na. I'm getting fat. It's been 8 months, more than 8 months wala akong exercise. So kailangan ko ng lakad-lakad. Kasi pag nag-exercise ako ng 1 day only, it's useless. Ito na ako sa supermarket. So yan lang. I just want to go and get what I want. I want Quaker Oats for dinner. Yan lang kasi ang dinner ko, Quaker Oats. And then breakfast ko ang bread. And then lunch ko yung rice at chicken or whatever na niluluto ko sa bahay na binabaon ko. But I'm thinking what I'm going to have kasi I have gastric nga. So the doctor advised me to drink in the morning hot water with honey or ginger tea with honey instead of coffee. But you know, hindi kompleto my day. It's not complete without drinking milk. So isinisingit ko pa rin ang coffee during like around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, like that, depende, but not in the morning when I wake up. You know, tayo mga coffee lover, hindi kompleto ang araw pag hindi nakainom ng kape. So ayan, hanap muna ako ng honey, my sweetheart, my ayun. So ayan, hindi na ako kumuha ng basket kasi ito lang naman, but I think I need it. No, I'm thinking if I'm going to get the oats or no need. Nananawa na rin kasi ako kakakain ng oats. I like bread with coconut. This is my favorite. So I'm going to find here. I hope they have, but it's been 2 weeks. Every time I come here, I couldn't find this coconut bread with coconut. Yung palaman niya coconut. Gusto ko yun. Kasi yung bread na yun, you don't need to put anything. You know, may palaman na kaagad. So medyo tipid at less sa trabaho. That's what I want. I found. Thanks God they have. Kasi last time wala eh. Ito mga bread nila. Kumuha na ako ng basket guys bago mabagsak yung jam na binili ko. Magkalat pa ako dito. Nakakahiya naman, bibigyan ko pa ng trabaho ang mga ano. What I need more, get everything. I just need fruits, you know. Kailangan, gusto ko yung kumakain ako ng fruits everyday, kahit isa lang. Yan ang mga ano nila. I'm so happy kasi mayroong ano, supermarket dito. And most of all, every week I go to my house, I take day off. Kailangan ko nito. Corn, my favorite. Pag hindi ko naubos dito, dinadala ko sa trabaho. Ilalaga ko siya. May time pa naman ako eh. yun. And then maghahanap ako ng fruits. Kasi apple or pears. Peras. Yan lang ang ano dito. Lahat ng fruits nandito. Depende sa gusto ko. Last time, bumili ako ng ganito. Green pa siya. Pero it was so crunchy. Gusto ko kasi yung crunchy siya. Ayoko ng malambot. Yung ganito. Green pa siya. So ito kukunin ko. Ayan lang guys. Ayoko na mag-stay more pa dito kasi lalang dadami ang ano ko. Bayaran ko. I have to go. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you next time. Next time it's gonna be an interesting video that I will upload. So stay tuned.